The good thing about entering formulas that refer to cells is that if the values in those cells should change, the formulas will automatically recalculate. For example, if I click on B9 and I look up in the formula bar, the formula in B9 is equals B4 plus B5. B4 contains 10, B5 contains 20. If I change the 10 in B4 to 100, I would expect this formula, and in fact all formulas, to recalculate because they all look at the cell B4. So I'm going to click in the cell B4 and type 100. As soon as I press enter, the formulas all recalculate. 100 plus 20 is 120, 100 times 20 is 2000, 100 minus 20 is 80, and 20 goes into 100 5 times. If I change the 100 back to 10, the formulas recalculate again. A key combination that's very popular with spreadsheet users is a key combination called Control tilde. Now Control tilde is holding the Control key and hitting the key underneath the Escape key. So I'll hold the Control key down and I'll press the key under Escape. What this enables me to see are the formulas instead of the answers. If I was to print, I would actually be printing out the formulas rather than the answers. What I often say to people is if you require a spreadsheet as part of your job and you didn't design the spreadsheet, what might be a good thing to do is as soon as you get the spreadsheet, press Control tilde. This will show you if there's any formulas in the spreadsheet and where they are. If you then went print, you could keep a record of the formulas in the spreadsheet in case something goes wrong in future. You could reinstate those formulas. If I press Control tilde again, I go back to seeing my answers. You'll notice it's not important where you're sitting. Control tilde just shows you all the formulas in a spreadsheet, and it's like a light switch or a toggle. When you press Control tilde, you turn the formulas on. When you press it again, you turn the formulas off. So press it several times and get used to seeing the formulas or the results.